Welcome to another episode of Active Universe. The story of technology is the story of humanity itself. From the moment early humans struck stones together to create fire, technology has been shaping our world. Today we're taking a journey through time, from the birth of invention to the rise of artificial intelligence in 2025 and beyond. But this isn't just about technology. The dawn of invention, prehistoric era, 1700s. It all started with the most basic tools. Early humans crafted spears and arrows for hunting, and fire revolutionized cooking, leading to better nutrition and brain development. By 3500 BCE, the wheel was invented in Mesopotamia, and by 2600 BCE, the Egyptians were building pyramids with advanced engineering techniques. Fast forward to the 1400s, Johannes Gutenberg's printing press transformed the spread of knowledge, setting the stage for the modern world. In the 18th century, the steam engine powered factories, ships, and locomotives, fueling massive industrial growth. The digital age begins 1900s, 1990s. Then, in 1903, the Wright brothers achieved the first successful flight, paving the way for modern aviation. The telegraph, telephone, and electric light bulb revolutionized communication and daily life. The 20th century saw an explosion of technological breakthroughs. World War II accelerated innovations in radar, jet engines, and computing. Alan Turing laid the foundation for artificial intelligence, and by 1969, humanity had landed on the moon. That same year, ARPANET, the precursor to the internet, was born, setting the stage for a connected world. By the 1980s and 90s, personal computers, mobile phones, and the World Wide Web brought technology into our homes, forever changing how we live and work. By 2025, AI is now driving vehicles, diagnosing diseases, and even assisting in creative industries. In 2007, smartphones revolutionized communication, and social media platforms connected billions of people. Quantum computing is on the horizon, promising breakthroughs once thought impossible, the future of AI, technology, and the universe. Workforces will shift as automation takes over repetitive tasks, but new careers in AI ethics, robotics, and creative industries will emerge. Medicine will advance faster than ever, with AI detecting diseases in their earliest stages and personalizing treatments. Transportation will evolve with self-driving cars, autonomous delivery drones, and AI-powered logistics. Space exploration will accelerate as AI-driven probes explore distant planets, laying the groundwork for interplanetary travel. Beyond Earth, AI will play a crucial role in humanity's expansion into space. Scientists are already developing AI-powered systems to support long-term space missions. And in the near future, we could see AI assisting astronauts in building sustainable colonies on the Moon and Mars. The search for extraterrestrial life will also evolve, as AI helps analyze vast amounts of cosmic data, searching for signals from intelligent civilizations. From striking stones together for fire to creating intelligent machines, technology has taken humanity on an incredible journey. But what happens next? One thing is certain. The universe is vast, and technology is our key to unlocking its mysteries. The responsibility to guide AI toward positive outcomes will rest in human hands. If you enjoyed this journey through time, technology, and the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Join us on Active Universe as we explore the future of technology, science, and beyond. See you in the next episode.